Hello Angel Pies, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. It's probably one of my most looked forward to videos that I have filmed this. Oh, we've got a cat fight. Hey Mitzi, don't be mean to him. Baba. I'll have to break that up in a minute, brothers and sisters. So yeah, today it's really funny lighting in here. So today we are doing our Christmas food shop and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. These shops are probably going to be crazy because it is the weekend before Christmas Day and the shops are always the craziest then. So the shops will be insane. I know that, I've prepared for that. I didn't actually sleep very well last night, so I'm really tired. So that's going to be fun, but it will be fun. At the end of the day, we're going Christmas food shopping. How can that not be fun? We are going to a few different shops. We're going to the farm shop to get anything dairy based, and then we're going to certain supermarkets for certain things. So it's going to be a kind of come round with me. I think we're also going to try and pop into HomeSense because I need to get a Christmas box for a present that I'm giving my dad. So we're going to be visiting many shops. We're going to bring you along with us, and then at the end of the video I will be showing you everything I got for my Christmas food shop. And we all know you guys love a grocery food shop. Like, who doesn't love nosing in people's food shops? Like, that's probably one of my favourite things to watch, is what people buy from the supermarket. Don't know why, it just gives me food inspiration. Anyway, I need to stop talking because the longer we wait, the busier the shop's getting. So let's go. First stop is ASDA. Are we ready for this?
I think we're as ready as we're ever going to be.
Doing well so far.
Doing really well.
Got most of the veg.
Yeah.
Get that out. No offense if anybody likes that, but not really. What is that?
What is it? It's like a serrano ham.
Boneless.
It's like a Spanish ham, I think. Probably be delicious.
No. We have the turkey. We got that from the farm. Oh, we need unsalted butter to make the cranberries butter sauce. Got the milk. Got the shallot. We have just found blue eggs.
Blue eggs. Little.
That is actually really cool.
I know.
And actually that colour.
Yeah, that colour.
Wow.
These stunning blue, fresh British farm eggs are laid by smaller oh wait, no. I thought it was going to be interesting.
Hello, and just like that we are back from shopping. We went kind of all over the place. We went to ASDA, Tesco, M&S, where else? The farm shop, and yeah, I think that's it. It's now dark outside. We have been outside all day, but we did stop over at my partner's family's. Stopped at my partner's family's and we just, yeah, chilled out for the day. And now we have all the food laid out on the side. I'm going to show you everything we got. We actually did really well. We bought a lot of fresh veg, like a lot of like the things you have in your house at Christmas, like all the vegetables, things like that from ASDA, and that was actually really affordable. Although ASDA sometimes isn't the best shopping experience because it's so big and it's just too big in my opinion, but actually it worked out quite affordable, so that was really good. So let's just show you everything we got. So we start with all of the drinks. So the drinks basically we've collected over the last couple of days, but most of it we got today. I mean, we're not big drinkers really, but we have a lot. So we have a massive thing of Prosecco. My partner was actually gifted that. Then we have some Cremant. This apparently is like champagne and is really good to drink on Christmas Day. We have some Sauvignon white wine, we have lots of Sauvignon, we have red wine, so we have some beers that probably my boyfriend drinks, milk today, Blue Top, we got some orange squash, Robinson's orange squash, diet lemonade, some tonic water, we have Schlur, which is actually one of my favourite things to drink at Christmas. And I grew up kind of having it as a treat on Christmas Day, and my mum used to call it children's wine. Not that she was encouraging us to drink, but then we have some chocolates, 2 tubs of Quality Street. We actually got a tub of Quality Street today, and then Lawrence's auntie gave us one, so we're quite lucky. Got some of this, which is toilet. What does it do? Go in your toilet bowl?
No, I think it goes in the box at the top, and you just leave it there, and it's like
makes the water smell nice. Makes your toilet smell nice.
I mean, yeah.
And that was only like 60p or something from ASDA. We also got some Dettol wipes because these are just so quick and easy, and that looks like pomegranate and lime flavour. Nice. They'll be nice. Got some mini sellotapes to go in the sellotape dispenser.
For wrapping.
And then M&S. We're not finished with Asda, by the way, but this stuff's from M&S. So M&S, we've got some posh profiteroles, and just look, it has little gold stars on the profiteroles. There's 12 in there. I'm probably going to have some of these tonight. We've got 2 boxes of 10 mini smoked Scottish salmon bellinis. These are so good to just kind of snack on. Tesco, we've got a big bag of ice. Back to Asda, we got 2 of these fresh mince pies. I find these ones are actually the best because they're thinner, so there's not as much like of that mincy fruit stuff inside. And we also got Fry Light because when doing our roast potatoes we want to like make sure it's all covered. Some cranberry sauce with ruby port, which sounds posh. Got some fresh double cream. Oh yeah, these are from M&S. These are mini melt in the chocolate puddings. These are my favourite types of puddings. And I don't actually eat Christmas pudding, so this is my dessert on Christmas Day. We have Christmas pudding, which is my partner and my dad, which they'll eat this. Chutney for cheese that we get from a local farm. This is so nice. Oh yeah, we got some Nando's peri peri salt. And this stuff is actually so nice. I'm not really a big Nando's person, but I love peri peri chips. So we found this in Asda and we're excited to try this, to be honest. Some kitchen rolls, some Christmas themed ones, because who doesn't want Christmas themed kitchen rolls in your kitchen at Christmas? They're from Sainsburys. I got those from Sainsburys. We have Vindaloo mix, which is like a snacky thing. Like these things are so good to snack on in the evening.
Yeah, I want to open them now.
Now, yeah. Some Asda Madagascan vanilla custard for the puddings. So tonight we're going to have some dips and like dippy type party food. We've got from Tesco, we've got tzatziki, onion garlic dip, salsa dip and sour cream and chive. It'll be nice to like just dip whatever in. We got some cloves, whole cloves, because apparently they go in the ham. We got some carrots and swede mix to make carrots and swede mash. We got some carrot batons, which we're going to actually have tonight with like dippy stuff. We got some, don't know if anyone who watches my videos has heard of these, sweet clems.
Neither of us have had these.
No. So I assume they're kind of like satsumas and, oh, clemenules.
Oh. Or is that where it's from?
Yeah. Well, oh, I don't know. But I don't know,
Sweet
but I
clems.
think they'll be nice. And also Christmas isn't Christmas without
some little
like
citrus fruit.
Yeah.
I'm still delighted how much they cost.
So we got some Brussels sprouts, because what is Christmas without Brussels sprouts? And these are from Asda and they were 20p for fresh Brussels sprouts. British, English grown. Then we have some shallots, which will be like to cook with the Brussels sprouts, or you know, when you're roasting. And we have a big baton of broccoli. I got this from Asda, which is like a present box, and this will go, you know, I'll just have a Christmas present in that, and that was only £2. I have a big thing of vegetable oil. We have loads and loads of roast potatoes because it's my main food group is potato. We got some from Tesco and some from Asda. And we have a huge bag of garlic. Garlic is used a lot in this house, and it will be on the roast dinner. We've got some parsnips, 6 of them, big ones. Maryland double chocolate chip cookies. Have some big lemons from the extra special Asda range. We have some red onions, 2 bags of white onions. We have normal carrots, so we'll have roast carrots on our Sunday roast dinner. We got some organic free-range eggs from ASDA, 10 of those. A CD, an album also for my dad for Christmas. I got him other things, but I got him this as well. He really likes music and I feel like he will like Mumford & Sons. And some tissues, Kleenex nose tissues, celery sticks, which are really good for roasting. I've got some unsalted butter that will go with the turkey.
Oh yeah, and that will go, the ones with salt on will go pretty much
with
on
everything.
anything else.
Yeah. See, Lawrence adds butter to everything.
Yeah.
Some strong kitchen foil.
The turkey size. Extra big.
Yeah, I got a mascara. This is actually, I've never tried this mascara and I saw it in Asda and I really need a non-waterproof mascara. Right, we got some sausages, Bramley apple pork chipolata sausages. I don't actually eat sausage. This pork is not for me. So this is actually going to be for anybody else who wants them. Lawrence, basically.
Mainly me.
So this stuff is like kind of for him. So sausages, bacon, naked bacon, never heard of it. Don't eat bacon, so I don't know.
Looks nice.
But yeah, apparently it looks nice. So 2 packs of those, 2 packs of those. I think they will be used to make pigs in blankets on Christmas Day. Some gammon. Again, I don't eat that, but apparently gammon is nice to have on Christmas Day.
Yeah, it'll be like, it'll turn into a nice ham.
Yeah. And also, stuff like this is just a treat. Then we got 2 big bottles of Coca-Cola, just for drinking and just cooking, whatever. And then a turkey, which I'm not going to show you because that will be kind of sad. And that is our Christmas food shop.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And I think we spent out of everything, considering we've got a lot, under £100, not including the turkey. But generally, you see.
I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah. The Asda stuff, and that was 4 bag for lives. That came to just over £60.
That's quite good. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
I think so.
Yeah.
So we're really happy with that.
And now we're going to stuff our faces.
Yeah. So that is everything we got today for our food shop. I would love to know where you guys went for your Christmas food shop, or if you did it, or if your parents did, or your partner, or someone in your family. I would actually love to know. I think this year we did quite well, like price wise, and also we found some good things. I'm really excited for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I upload 3 times every single week, Sundays, Tuesdays and Thursdays. I cannot believe it's going to be 2019 in what, a week? Nearly a week? Just over a week by the time you see this video. Oh, that's scary. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed filming it. It was one I was looking forward to very much this Christmas season. Thank you very much for watching. As always, thank you for all of your support, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.